Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by assessing and isolating the area. Wash the panel, remove wax, and use a panel wipe so primers and paints will stick. Once done, mask off trim, glass, and badges to protect them, and make sure your workspace is 60-75 degrees F and low dust. You now identify chips, rust, or clear coat failure and mark small sections to repair first. This prevents scope creep. Begin with the shallowest defects, so you can move to sanding and primer without reworking large areas. You continue by sanding the damaged zones. Feather the clear coat edges with 800-1500 grit and eliminate any rust down to clean metal. Next, apply an etch primer to bare spots and follow with a 2K filler primer to level surface. Let cure and sand with 300-2400 grit for smoothness. Once prepped, mix paint using the OEM code and spray test panels to confirm match. Then blend the color into the surrounding panel in 2 to 3 light passes. Building thin, you finish by spraying 2-3 wet coats of clear coat, allowing an 8-12 minute flash time between coats and following full cure times. Once cured, wet sand starting at 1500 grit up to 3000 for a uniform surface, then compound to remove sanding marks and finish with a fine polish and UV protectant to restore gloss. If you encounter orange peel or runs, sand the affected zone to a uniform surface. Reapply clear coat in light passes and repolish after curing to blend. This fixes texture and adhesion issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.